Hello there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual journey to explore the vibrant and bustling world of Doral CityPlace in Miami. Doral CityPlace is more than just a destination. It's a lifestyle. With its wide array of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. It's no wonder that this place has become the ultimate destination for visitors and locals alike. From the moment you step foot into Doral CityPlace, you're surrounded by an eclectic mix of stores ranging from international brands to local boutiques. Whether you're on the hunt for trendy new clothes or unique souvenirs, you'll find it all here. But shopping is just the beginning. Doral CityPlace also boasts a plethora of dining options to tantalize your taste buds. From casual cafes to high-end restaurants, they've got something for everyone. The cuisine at Doral CityPlace is as diverse as it gets, from Italian to Japanese and everything in between. You can indulge in your favorite dishes or try something new every day. What makes Doral CityPlace truly special is its vibrant entertainment scene. From live music concerts to movie screenings and sporting events, there's always something exciting happening here. So, if you're planning a trip to Miami or just looking for a fantastic day out with friends or family, make sure Doral CityPlace is on your itinerary. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. That wraps up our whirlwind tour of Doral CityPlace. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun videos in the future. Until next time, happy travels!